This is Claire, and she has the hiccups.
In April 5th. Are you gonna do something? Can you do anything? Show everybody how you can talk. Can you talk? Say hi. Say hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandpa. Yes, those are your hands. What's that face? What's that face? Oh.
Almost lost another one. There's a reach in call for Kansas.